Hello people, it's Saturday today and the time is 7:29. Lalabas lang kami. Kakain kami ng magdi-dinner kami doon sa tawag to, Chicken Inasal, which is kaka-open lang na Filipino shop dito sa aming place. So dadalhin ko si Crystal doon. It's going to dark already.
Mama, in the GoPro it's so bright.
Still bright?
Yeah, in the GoPro. Like looks a bit new, don't you think? Like
New?
the orders are different.
Yeah.
Hey, she wants to vlog. Look at her hand.
Say hi to the vlog, Chantal.
Say hi.
Yeah. Our small vlogger. Our little
Again.
girl vlogger.
Yeah. When we were recording, how come I heard you say chicken inasal?
Yeah, we're going to Chicken Inasal restaurant.
Oh.
It's a Filipino food.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Oh my goodness. Chantal. Oh, look at this girl. Gusto niyang tumayo dito sa stroller. Anyway, we are here na sa aming pupuntahan. Actually, sabi ko kanina bago kami kumain sana, pupunta kami ng may bibilhin lang ako. Bibili sana ako ng damit kasi yung damit ko is pabalik-balik na lang.
Little angels. Ano pa tayo? Sa ating pinto. Ang t-shirt.
Bag mo na
Tatlo lang kayo? Oh, yes.
this one. He's done up. We're going to
Sunshine!
Sunshine.
Sunshine!
So dito kami, yan yung Sunshine opposite, and we are parking here. Yun, nag-iisang car.
Yeah.
Kasi it's already,
Nighttime!
I don't know what's the time, maybe 8 something, right?
Fit. Nope. Yeah. And it can't even fit through.
Oh, I already.
What? What did you do? What did you do? I remember I went to one or there too. We just walk around here, and then there's an entrance.
Not ground floor.
Ah.
Hindi namin alam kung saan yung entrance papunta.
Mama, after you
I think
walk,
we're gonna use the another lift.
why? We can just walk around and then there's an entry.
But this one, we have the stroller. I believe there's a stairs there.
Yeah, of course there is. Oh, wow. Mama, actually there's no stairs. Only here there's stairs.
Really?
Yeah. So if you don't use a lift.
Then which floor? Oh, they got flowers. This is warm. You like the kind people, they're helping us, right? So, just now kasi, hindi ko alam kung paano umakyat dito sa first floor.
3 people
We are at
helped
ground
us.
floor, yeah. And then, pumunta kami sa ibang lift, but it leads us to parking lot,
My
right?
dad was that's what I was talking about.
And then, parking lot siya. Yung lift na yun for parking lot. So, hindi ko alam kung paano po makaakyat dito. And then, tinulungan kami ng staff nila and another couple. Natutulungan sana nila kami, but then, dumating kasi yung staff na tinulungan na ako. And Crystal said that, what did you say just now?
Again?
We didn't vlog that one.
Yeah,
Yeah?
we did.
What did you say? It's like, we're shy already. Sabi niya, masaya daw siya. She's happy that there's a kind people na willing
not what I
tumulong. So now we are here in women's department kasi gusto kong bumili ng damit. Wala na kasi akong damit and paulit-ulit na. Actually, at first, ayokong bumili muna ng damit hanggang bumalik yung aking size dati, which is XS or S. But ngayon, yung sizes ko na sa mga M to large, depends sa cutting ng damit. And ayoko sanang bumili muna kasi I feel like pag bumili ako ng ng size M or L, feeling ko na siya, like tinanggap ko na ganito na talaga yung size ng damit. But I don't have choice kasi yung mga damit ko pa ulit-ulit na lang. By the way, si Crystal pala, yan. Crystal, show your dress. Yung sinuot ni Crystal na damit is my dress when I was before ako nabuntis kay Chantal. So yan yung damit ko.
Mama, where's this
Size.
auto poster?
Oh, why like that? Okay, it's okay. So ito yung let me see your clothes, your
No,
dress,
it's in my face.
your face.
My
So yan yung
face.
size S ko na damit na kasya na kay Crystal ngayon. As you remember, meron kaming, yan namin twinning dress, and then yung sa akin na damit kasya na sa kanya, and yung sa kanya naman is super liit na. Binigay ko na yata.
Yeah, Mama, we were here, look. The same thing. Well, what's that? Of course I'm coming. Wow.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung bibilhin ko.
Baby a kid.
Tingnan natin yung mga sinuot ng mga mannequins kung babagay sa atin. So it's already almost 10 and tapos na kaming bumili and pa-close na rin yung mall. So now let's go home. Let's go home together with this two little monkey number 2 and monkey number 1 is there behind. Let's go home, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.